Step 1. Install the support legs onto the shelf using the handle screws. Step 2. Connect the two shelf panels using two fixing connecting plates. Step 3. Attach the Velcro to one side of the shelf. Step 4. Connect the two small shelf panels using two shelf connecting plates. Step 5. Attach the small shelf support legs to the shelf panels. Step 6. Attach the installed small shelf panels to the small shelf support legs. Step 7. Apply the other side of the Velcro to the windowsill. Secure both sides of the Velcro, find the appropriate distance, and install the support feet, ensuring it is parallel to the tabletop.